Okay, so I just open up Blender. So let's go into video editing. And to bring a movie into Blender, all we need to do is go to add and then movie. And here we're just going to locate our movie strip and then select it and then go add movie strip. And since we're going to split this screen into two, we need two movie files. So let's go add movie and select the other one and then go add movie strip. So now we can move over to the right there, open up this crop tab, hold down shift to get more control, and then we can just move it in like this. And then we can select our second movie file and then hold down shift and then just bring it in like that. What you also can do is go into transform and play around with the position. So that is all. Have a great day and peace out.